I wish that our supporters come tomorrow and help our team, give extra energy with the support, because it was the big K of last season.
Jadi kita akan melakukan Presscon spesifikasi Liga 1 2023-2024 yang mana Liga kedua.
Selamat sore.
Sore.
Before speak about the game tomorrow, I want to speak one thing about what's happened last match. In football, we can lose, we can draw, we can win, but we cannot lose the respect. So please, respect PSM Makassar, respect the players of PSM Makassar. And I give you an example. Last match, Persija goal happens after number 73 of Persija hurt Yanche in the nuts in our box, minute 79 and 23 seconds. And Yanche is in the ground more than 40 seconds and nobody stopped the match. Nobody stopped the match. Because these, our defensive organization, are not good, we give space, and number 7 of Persija scored the goal. With this, I hope that never happen to Persija, never happen again to PSM Makassar or to another club. Because if the player is injured, you must stop the match. Football is supposed to be a sport to the people enjoy, not a war inside of the field or outside of the field. So I think we need to respect opponent teams, and supporters and everybody need to respect our players, our staff, our club. With this, I give you an example. I read many things about our player, Uran, that he wants to lose time. The people don't know, but Uran finished the last season injured, and when start this season, also get big injured on the training. So it's normal if opponent team make high intensity that is tired because he's not training. So please, if the referee want to give 20 minutes, 15 minutes extra time, give. But the referee cannot make what's happened on the goal of Persija. Cannot. Okay, about tomorrow match. First, I wish that our supporters come tomorrow and help our team, give extra energy with the support, because it was the big K of last season that this team make bagus season because the supporters. The environment on Pare was amazing, fantastic last season, and I hope that this season and tomorrow special, that they come and they support the team since the first minute until the last moment of the match, because it's going to be a very tough game, and it's very important, the supporters of our sport. About Dewa, is a strong team, a team that have a big budget, see the players that they bring, goalkeeper from former under 21 Netherlands, midfielder from national team Greece. They keep the best players from last season. They go to sign other players for other teams that make good season, like Agung and the others. So tomorrow's going to be a very difficult game. So it's very important that we make good game without bola and with bola. And I hope, as I say before, that the supporters come and support us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore untuk rekan-rekan wartawan. Saya Akbar, mewakili rekan-rekan tim untuk persiapan pertandingan besok. Tentunya kita sudah siap untuk menghadapi Dewa United. Kita tahu Dewa juga mempunyai materi pemain yang bagus. Jadi saya berharap pada rekan-rekan dan supporter, mudah-mudahan besok kita meraih hasil yang positif. Itu aja. Terima kasih.
Gimana tanggapan pelatih kalau ada kasus rasisme yang kemarin sempat terbuat itu? Ya, mungkin yang kedua soal ini kan sempat mencuat untuk kemudian dihentikan Liga dan dari adanya kasus rasisme itu. Anggapannya sendiri setujukah kalau diperhentikan atau selanjutnya mungkin setuju. Kemudian yang pertanyaan yang kedua ini kan ada Perdana, bagaimana motivasinya mungkin PSM bermain di kandang semua ini kan kalau kita lihat PSM selalu menang, kecuali mungkin kemarin lawan Bali. Sama yang terakhir kan saya lihat ada pemain Ricky Kamboya dari tadi di sisi latihan. Gimana tanggapannya terkait adanya pemain baru dari Dewa United ini?
Okay, about racism. My first statement was about this, the respect, because football is to enjoy, is to be a party, this is a fantastic sport. But when we don't have respect inside of the field or outside of the field, it's not a party and the people not enjoy. About the first match of Pare Pare, it's not the first match, it's the second. We already play here against Bali, but yes, it's the first match on Liga Satu, and we hope that we can make Bagus performance and Bagus result. It's not going to be easy because they were in this season. It's going to be very difficult team because they signed with very good players. So tomorrow we need to see the best PSM Makassar to can make good result against them. And for this happen, it's very important that our supporters come and support us. About Ricky Camboya, okay, he's a good player, an expensive player. See the difference between Dewa. Go to see the players that they have, see our players. We catch the players on trial, free or loan. This is our reality. So, but also we showed that last season the Bags with money not score goals, and we make a fantastic season. But about Ricky, he's a good player, but I think they will have many good players. We cannot just see Ricky, we must see also the other players because they are a strong team. I am just a coach, I cannot make these decisions. For me, I see many things that I not agree, but I think we can resolve the things without stop the league. But I cannot say if go to stop or not to stop. What I can, if you remember, my first statement was respect. So if we want respect, we need to respect the others. I think PSM Makassar respect everybody. I saw Yanche on the floor. I saw that he's injured, and after they score goal, I just speak with the referee. Why not stop the match? I not go to opponent bench to complain. No, maybe if is a player from Persija, we put bola out, but this is different realities. But whatever about this situation, I cannot answer.
Oke, cukup. Oke, terima kasih Coach.
Terima kasih.
Oke,